Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. If you find yourself re-explaining the same workflow to the agent every session, there's a better way. In this lesson, we look at agent skills, reusable packages of instructions and assets that teach Antigravity how to do a particular kind of job well, so you invoke the know-how instead of retyping it. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we're in a project where we keep asking the agent to follow the same release procedure. Let's see how skills capture that once and reuse it. The skills command browses every agent skill that's currently loaded. You'll see two groups here, local skills that live inside this project, and global skills available everywhere, all listed side by side. Look at what a skill actually is. Each one is a packaged bundle of instructions and assets, the accumulated know-how for a specific job, like cutting a release or writing a migration, ready to apply. Now for the payoff. Instead of re-explaining your release steps every single session, you invoke the skill by name, and Antigravity already holds the full procedure and follows it exactly. Watch how consistent that makes things. Because the procedure lives in the skill, it runs the same way every time on every project, so the workflow doesn't drift depending on how you happen to phrase it that day. And it travels well. You can share a skill with your teammates so everyone's agent follows the identical process, keeping repeatable procedures consistent across the whole team, not just your machine. One more thing worth knowing. Skills carry over directly from Gemini CLI and are one of Antigravity's core features. So if you built skills before, they're right here waiting for you. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The skills command browses the loaded local and global agent skills available to Antigravity. A skill is a reusable package of instructions and assets that teaches the agent a particular job. Invoke a skill instead of re-explaining a workflow, keeping procedures consistent across projects and teammates. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 11, where the MCP command manages servers that connect the agent to outside systems.